So about 30 kids, and then how many did finish school? About 12? 15. So more than half didn't finish school. I mean, 2 times as many didn't even finish high school. How many parents finished college?
Kita naman sa inyong mama mag-college. Nakapunta po college, may nahuman sa college. Isa man.
None? College. Colegio.
Kita man.
How many parents finished college?
No, they.
None. See what I mean? None. No, he's not. He doesn't
Maybe
know.
you
I don't think so, no. None of your...
Mama college, guys. Maybe the one is
One?
college.
One finished college out of all this group?
And 2
2.
finished to college.
So what does that tell us? Everybody here is pobre, right?
Kitang tanan, pupuri mo tanan? Pupuri wa matay dato.
Right? So what's the thing that all of you share? The parents have no college, right?
Yung mga mama ubanday, walay college, wala sila nakakuha ng college.
Right.
Wala.
Right? So what does that tell us? Ask them.
Uy, kung sa gisulti sa inyong mama, wala sila kahuman. Wala sila kahuman sa inyong eskwela ba? Kung sa gisulti nga bahay sa inyo para sa inyong eskwelahan. Kung sa going to finish the school.
If you have no school, escuela, guess what?
Kung wala ko na may eskwela,
You're gonna be pobre.
ang inyong kunukuan, lahat kuno, pobre.
Right.
Walay increase ba, walay kuan.
So,
Walay ka-atensyon.
It's up to you. It's up to you to...
Naara kuno ninyo kung
It's your choice.
inyo na kuno na kuan. Inyo na sa kanang sa nae, kanang inyo ganinang mauban na inyong kanang buhaton ba para mauna inyong makuan.
It's your choice. It's not up to anybody else.
Inyo ra na dili walay manglabutan na sa inyo ra jud nang kuan kabubuton kung human ba ka o di nara na ninyo dali.
But we're gonna help you though.
Pero motapang si David ninyo para makaman.
If you're grabe with the school, if you're serious with the school, I'm gonna help you.
Kung grabe kuno kay mo kung seryoso kuno mo mga eskwela, ari lang mo David kay motapang sa ninyo ha.
So how many want to finish school? Raise their hand.
Nga makahuman og eskwela. They're all there.
You're all ready to finish school?
Isa ka mo kay isa mo eskwela ka dai. Di ka mo eskwela nga naman.
So if
Eskwela isa gamot. Nindot ka na mo kay eskwela ka kay para natay grado. Para natay knowledge ana ba.
So if any of them ever have a problem that they're going to quit school or a big problem at school, they need to come here and talk to us.
Kung ako na problema pa sa iyong eskwelahan bahin baron sa baryon noon, hinana kung wa mo ka pa enroll kay undang mo ari lang mo diri.